pissing down rain today, so I'm stuck indoors, no flying my drone. So I thought I might take the opportunity to show you a little mod I did to my Spark controller to enable me to fit larger phones or small tablets. Now, if you have a quick look, you can see the difference between the Spark and the Mavic Air controller. So the Mavic Air controller's little arms where you attach the phone swing out quite a little bit wider. Now this is actually before I even had my Mavic Air. I was trying to fit a larger tablet, and obviously when it doesn't fit it's very frustrating. I didn't want to buy an adapter or a holder at that point. And so I had a look, and the only thing restricting the arms from going wider were essentially two little bits of plastic. So if you have a look at the Air controller, you can see that there has been a little bit of a design change, which is why the Air controller the arms can swing back quite a bit further. So what I did, I grabbed my trusty old Dremel, got myself a cutting tool, and at the side of the controller I just notched away a little bit further into the controller. I just did it touch by touch, but it doesn't seem, I wouldn't trust it with getting wet, but it doesn't seem to have done any lasting damage. And once again on the other side, I just notched away so that that arm can actually start to extend further. So now the full range I get is significantly more. And means I could fit my larger tablet to the phone. Now since then I've got the Mavic, and I actually use now a tablet mount. But at the time this was a great saving for me, and something which it really just should have been adapted right from the start, but clearly they've learnt from that. So I'll just show you some more. Okay, so as you can see, I've put notches in here and here, just using the Dremel. Now you could probably use a hacksaw. I had a Dremel, so it was much easier for me to do it that way. Just a little bit of a notch out there, which then allows you to get that arm to extend further. And that was great. I was able to fit my what did I have? It was a Lenovo Tab A. I can't remember now. I don't have it anymore. I just use a larger Samsung. Okay, so there you have it. A quick and simple way to get your Spark controller to fit your larger type phone or smaller tablets. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.